Another item I get asked for very frequently is the 95 plus trunk lever assemblies. One issue with installing the trunk lever into your car that didn't come with the trunk lever assembly is going to be the lock cylinder. The lock cylinders are different between the assemblies for just the gas door lever and the trunk lever. So what I've done is created a fake lock cylinder that will open with any key that will slide down into the assembly here, and you will still be able to unlock and lock this assembly. My design is 3 pieces that you'll print. So these two mate together, and then you also have this piece that will set down in here, and you can see the little groove that that nub will sit in. Once you have that piece in place, you can install the next piece, which that square will fit inside of that square. Just twist it until it falls into place. Like that. And then you will have your screw here to reinstall. Now before we put the cover on, show you that any key will fit in here, and you can easily unlock and lock the trunk lever. Now with the cover on, now it's just a black spot instead of a shiny spot, but it is still fully functional, but it will work with any key.